Oh, because we're just we have some water as we're speaking. All right. Now, this is the most important thing that everyone here needs to know. The most important thing that you have to take with you when you go home. All right? As you leave here, you know what? You wear this shirt, you're trying to be cool, you're trying to have someone hear you. This is for the ladies! That he was the Messiah. You face me, arms to side. Don't move. Because if you move, you will die. Go. That we should respect women. That's what it teaches. It teaches that we should honor women.
Ladies, what your man can't do should be dead.
I wish I could hear that. How many